Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Tomodachi Life on Citra. First, you'll need to download the Citra emulator from its official website, ensuring you get the correct version for your operating system. Next, legally acquire a Tomodachi Life ROM file. Once you have both, install Citra and then open it to begin configuring your settings. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth gaming experience, so take your time with each step. Once Citra is installed, loading your Tomodachi Life game is straightforward. Simply open the Citra application, then go to the File menu at the top. From there, select Open and browse to the location where you saved your Tomodachi Life ROM file. Double-clicking the ROM will load the game directly into the emulator. You should see the game's title screen appear, ready for you to start playing. To enhance your Tomodachi Life experience, optimizing Citra's settings is key. Head into the emulation menu, then Configure. Here, you can adjust graphics settings, like resolution and texture filtering, for improved visuals. Next, set up your input controls, whether you're using a keyboard or a gamepad, to ensure comfortable gameplay. Don't forget to check audio settings for clear sound. Experimenting with these options will help you find the perfect balance for your system. Even with careful setup, you might encounter occasional issues. A common tip is to regularly update your Citra emulator to the latest version, as developers frequently release bug fixes and performance enhancements. If you face specific errors, searching online forums or the Citra community can often provide quick solutions. Always ensure your computer meets the emulator's minimum system requirements for stable performance. If all else fails, a simple restart of Citra or your computer can sometimes resolve minor glitches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.